Are you tired of sifting through endless properties to find the perfect rental investment? Today, we're diving into Propstream, your secret weapon for identifying high-potential rental gems that will boost your income and ROI. First, let's access the real estate goldmine by opening up Propstream. We'll start by inputting a specific area or zip code you're interested in. Think about neighborhoods with strong rental demand, good schools, and growing job markets. These are your sweet spots. Once your area is loaded, click on the Filter button. This is where we get smart about our search. We're looking for properties that are for rent or have recently been listed as rentals. Crucially, we want to see properties with an estimated rent field. Now, let's drill down into the details of a promising property. Click on any property that catches your eye and navigate to the Breakdown tab. This is where the magic happens for rental investors. Look for the Rental Comps section. Here, Propstream shows you similar properties in the area that are currently rented out. Pay close attention to the estimated rent. For these comps, this data is your direct indicator of what you can realistically charge for rent on your chosen property. Aim for properties where the estimated rent aligns with your investment goals. Beyond rent, another critical metric is the property's equity and owner information in the Property Details tab. You can see the estimated equity. High equity often means less risk and more potential for financing or a quick cash purchase, making it an attractive rental from a financial perspective. Once you've identified a few solid contenders, Propstream makes it easy to take action. You can export this data to analyze it further or create targeted marketing campaigns like postcards directly from the platform. This allows you to connect with owners who might be open to selling and turning their property into your next rental income stream. By systematically using Propstream's filtering tools, rental comps, and property data, you can confidently identify promising rental properties that will generate consistent income and strong returns on your investment. Happy investing!